Makes his Arrows debut and appears in the top flight for the first time. Meanwhile, Phillips comes in for Lukele, with Daniel Nsendami returning from a slight knee niggle. He's in place of Jason Clifford, who has travelled. Has only just recently been drafted in. It was 3 games ago, but he's starting for the 4th time in succession. As we get underway here at the Kings Relatini Stadium, this is the 7th meeting between the two sides. Arrows have never been beaten. Kaizer Chiefs, the silver scored late. Here comes Ndlovu. A good pass for Carlos, who takes a moment. Dion buries it! He's the top goal scorer. Makwele with a brilliant ball. Oh, it's a waste from Isak Cisse. Oh, lucky they got a solid looking back 4 at the moment to Le Mans for Golden Arrows as they look to deal with this situation, but it's further upfield where things are slightly more urgency as referee Taylor brings it into a first period in which 4th successive league game running. First time in Junior Dion's career that he's managed to net in 4 successive league games. So he keeps toppling personal milestones during this campaign. Glover wins it. Oh, it's a poor touch. And an opportunity here for Makwele. It's a brilliant pick-out to find Carlsa, who hasn't connected cleanly at all. And that was Jerome Carlos's last involvement as he makes way here. Steering it through for Kumalo. Ndlovu. Nicely done for Makwele. Squares it. And Washington Arubi. Drilled forwards by Ngobo. A lovely take from Sitole. Still he goes on. Nice pass. And set up. Oh! Cisse again! Well, it's already his 2nd Betway Premiership goal. The 19-year-old Ivorian is loving life in South Africa in the colours of Le Mans for Golden Arrows.
They look so dangerous, Golden Arrows, when they go wide and come back. I mean, you look at that build-up that they had.
Gallants failed to trouble Ngobo today. They attempted 17 shots in their last Betway Premiership matches. They might get one here, and it's been easily snaffled up by the goalkeeper, really. Threaded through excellently here. Roll towards goal. It trickles in. But Le Mans for Golden Arrows do have their 3rd. Which is why I feel almost compelled to say every time that we are here to view Arrows, they are must-watch TV. That is...
decisions. You look at now, he's beaten, they're trailing 3-0. Why go down? That was the earlier tackle against Sitole. That
Mabuza hits it from range, looking for that consolation in the final minute of regulation time. Ngobo determined.
on in Ndlovu and Carlsa, who started the ball, but you see the subs also.
Could it get even worse here for the visitors? Oh, lovely little flick. And put on. No ways. No ways. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant Le Mans for Golden Arrows.